is always left alone in the dark. When will I be the one in your heart? When will I be the one in your life? When will I finally be happy?
Lahat nagmamahal ng iba, puso ko laging naiiwan mag-isa. Kailan ba ako magiging isa sa puso mo? Kailan ba ako naging parte ng buhay mo? Kailan ba talaga ako magiging masaya? Yung ako lang ang para sa'yo, yung matatawag kong aking kayong wala ng iba. Tayo lang, dalawa, may dahilan pa rin para umasa ulit. May himig pa rin ang pag-ibig na di dapat bumitaw.
Will I be the only one for you? The one I can call mine just as no one else. There's still a reason to hope again. There's still a melody of love pushing me on.
May mga luha pa rin na di maalis. Ayaw kitang mawala dahil nandyan ka talaga para sa'kin. Pero hindi mo ko pinili na makasama. Puso ko napapagod na, mata napapagod sa pagluha. Katawan napapagod maghintay, isip napapagod mag-isip. Palagi nasasaktan, palagi iniiwanan. Nakakapagod din palang masaktan.
But the heart is getting tired. Eyes tired of crying, body tired of waiting, mind tired of thinking all the ways to keep you always hurting, always left behind. It's tiring to be hurt.
I took a break, but I'm searching for care. I need you,
But you're with someone else.
in others I found a place to refill.
Cause you were lost to me
I wish you were the one who filled this heart thirsty for love.
when it always hurts.
Nagpahinga, pero naghahanap pa rin ng kalinga at pagmamahal. Kailangan kita pero nasa iba ka na, sa iba nahanap ang puwang. Dahil nawala ka sa'kin, ikaw sana ang nagpupuno ng pusong uhaw sa pag-ibig. Kapag nasasaktan, binubulong ibigay mo na siya. Tanggapin na wala ka na sa'kin, kalimutan ka tumingin sa iba. Dito makakalaya sa mga luha, makakalimot sa hinagpis ng damdamin.
What I always hear, give him up.
Except he's no longer with me. Forget him, look at others.
Here I can be free from tears.
Forget the sorrow of these feelings.
Because of the pain and tears.
I was brought to a new beginning. Dahil sa sakit at luha, dinala ko sa bagong simula. Parang nasira ang lahat, kailangan ko ng pakawalan. Kailangan ko ng piliin ng sarili ko, magbago. Mahal kita, kaya magagawa kong hayaan kang masaya sa iba. Kaya hindi ko kayang ipaglaban ka pa, may gusto at mahal ka ng iba. Kaya nga wala tayo sa isa't isa, tatanggapin ko na ang pagkatalo. Pero ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo,
Ibabalik ko sa sarili ko. It feels like everything is broken. Will I let go of everything I lost? I need to choose myself. I need to change. I love you so I can let you be happy with others. That's why I can't fight for you. Someone else wants and loves you. We're not for each other.
I'll accept defeat, but my love for you, I'll give it back to myself. If love has left me, if love is no longer with us,
If the plans change,
if heaven has a different path,
if God took everything back,
if you're for him, not for me,
there's nothing I can do.
but to release everything.
But to release free.
Kung iniwan na ako ng pag-ibig, kung wala na sa atin ang pag-ibig, kung iba na ang plano ng langit sa atin, kung binawi na ng may kapal ng lahat, kung para ka sa kanya, hindi na para sa akin, wala na akong magagawa, kundi palayain ng lahat.
Kundi palayain
Palayain na ang lahat